The tea's perfect, the time's right, even though there's no time there, and we're ready to go. I'm Felix, I'm from Domino Chinese, and you're about to learn Chinese, actually, that is. And this is going to be a travel course. So anyone who's looking to go to China, or anyone who happens to be in China, or just anyone who knows a Chinese person or has happened to bump into someone at one point, make sure you know these things. So I've already told you the purpose of this video course. Now, ideally, you'd want to watch this entire course from start to finish, because that's the way you get the most value out of this course. However, you can also watch them in chunks, or you can do one video at a time and just go, oh, I want to learn that word, and then go to that video, because that's also how this works. The reason why I'm highlighting the entirety of this course is because our name is Domino, and we bind things together. So we start with 1 and we build to 2, and we put 1 together with 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then you can see how everything's actually built together, and it'll be much easier for the brain to handle. So no more chatting, let's get to business. Chinese business, that is. First some tea, actually.